Shortcut for ranking. Suppose you have table like this and want to write ranking in this way. Don't do like this. Just write first rank. And then press Ctrl 1 button. You will get new tab. From that tab under font option, just select Superscript tab, and press OK button. You will get the ranking. Now just drag down this up to where you need these ranks. We will revise the same process. From main taskbar under General select Format Cells tab. Under Font option select Superscript and press OK button. You will get the results. Just apply the same trick on your Excel sheet and update me is it working or not. If facing any issue comment me under comments section. If you like this video please thumbs up. Share and subscribe my channel Setline Excel for more great videos.